Hi, I'm Laura with Kansas City Mom Collective, and today we're learning about freestanding ERs and how they offer the same quality care as hospital-based emergency rooms, yet they're closer to home. The HCA Midwest Health ER of Shawnee is a freestanding emergency room in Shawnee, Kansas. The ER offers immediate care with little to no wait times. As soon as I walked in, I was escorted back to a room without sitting in a crowded waiting room, wondering how long I would be waiting. Within minutes, a nurse was in my room discussing my concerns, and shortly after, I was greeted by the doctor. What is a freestanding emergency room? Moms in Kansas City may have the same question. A freestanding emergency room is an off-campus ER that is affiliated to a hospital system and an extension of a hospital emergency room. This ER of Shawnee, where we're at today, is affiliated with Overland Park Regional Medical Center, which is a part of HCA Midwest Health. They treat kids and adults and are staffed by board-certified emergency room physicians and nurses who are skilled in treating emergencies. HCA Midwest Health has 3 freestanding ERs in the Kansas City area. This one in Shawnee, one in Olathe, and one in Brookside. If the patient needs a CT or X-ray, the ER of Shawnee has radiology equipment on site. Checkout was a breeze like everything else. The virtual checkout station came right to my room, and I entered my insurance information and payment. These extra amenities seem like an added luxury when you're worried about your loved one or child. The ER of Shawnee definitely strives to make your visit as comfortable as possible from start to finish. So now we're chatting with Emmy, a certified RN at the freestanding ER, just about some commonly asked questions that you may have. So what type of care do you guys provide at the freestanding ERs?
Freestanding emergencies are equipped to handle life-threatening medical emergencies, whether it be life-threatening injuries or illnesses. They are seen by ER physicians, ER nurses, and we have ER techs here.
Okay. And what about pediatric patients? Are you equipped to handle those as well?
All of our HCA Health Midwest ERs are pediatric ready emergency rooms, which means that they know how to handle every pediatric patient on their level. If your child requires a higher level of care, we can transfer them to the Kids Express at the main hospital at the Walmart Regional.
And what about wait times? What should people expect?
The average wait time is actually lower for freestanding emergency rooms than it is for the hospital-based emergency departments in the city.
Okay. Good to know. You can get in quicker.
Yes.
And what about insurance? They accept insurance?
Because freestanding emergency departments are hospital-based, we accept all the same plans as the hospital.
And if you need a higher level of care, you mentioned this with kids, what are the options for patients?
If patients do require a higher level of care, we are able to transfer them to the main emergency department seamlessly.
And what are the hours of the freestanding ER?
So just like any emergency department, we are 24/7, 365 days a year.
Thank you so much for answering all of our questions, Emmy, about the freestanding ER. Not sure if you should head to the ER? Wondering if your child's temperature is normal? Or maybe you just need advice about flu symptoms? HCA Midwest Health has you covered. The free consultant nurse line is available for you 24/7. Call 844-70-NURSE to connect with an experienced licensed nurse who can answer your questions and help guide you to the right care right now. When you or your child is sick or injured, HCA Midwest Health offers 10 ERs across the Kansas City area with 24/7 emergency care for kids and adults. Find an ER near you at kcfaster.com.